Hi there, welcome to another render demo how to draw video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a house. So let's get started. So for the first thing, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape for the main part of my house. So we'll start off something like this. And depending on how big of a house you want to make, you can do whatever size you want. And then we'll go up to about here. So I'll do this. So we'll do about 7 centimeters up. And then we'll draw a line across. So that's our main part of the house here. So the next step, I'm going to draw a roof. So if you want to be super accurate, you can go and figure out where the center is and put a dash in there and then go up from that center, and then you'll have an exact center point for your roof. And then I'll have my roof right about here. And then you can draw a line like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from this point that I made, and we're going to intersect this corner of the house here. And I'm just going to actually run that down a little bit further past the corner. And I'll do the same thing on this side. We'll come down. And then we'll just pass the corner just a little bit. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll just do like a round shape on either side here. We'll try to make these symmetrical. So right here, something like that. And then we can go and put our roof like this, the parallel line. And if you wanted to go opposite like this, so you can actually see the line, that's probably going to be a lot better. So we'll extend this up, and then we'll do the same on this side. So we'll make a parallel line just like that. We'll come up and join those together. Now I'm going to have a smaller roof in the front of my house. So what I'll do here is I'm going to make a roof line, a secondary roof line. So we're going to come not all the way to the edges of our original box, but close. And then we'll draw a curve there and a curve here. And we'll use the same thickness of the roof down over here. Something like that. Okay. And then over here, I'm just going to follow this same angle of the roof line, and I'm going to go above this rectangle here just a little bit. So there's my roof line. I'm going to come inside of this edge a little bit and come up like that. So you see I'm inside here a little bit, and I'll do the same on that side. So we'll have our roof line here, right? And then we'll go down to our line here. And then we'll come up, and then we can draw another line that connects the top of these, just like that. Okay, and then we have our center right here. We put a little ledge for a doorway. So I'll come below this bottom of our house just a little bit, and I'll probably just do this just a little bit longer. And we'll come up, something like that, and join those two together. Okay, so it's going to be kind of like a step, and if you want to put another line in the center, roughly, that's kind of like steps going up to your door. Okay, next thing I'll do is I'm going to put a window in the center here. So again, if you want to be super accurate, you got your center line, And then let's figure out how wide to make this window. So we don't want the window to hit the corners of our roof. So I think if we come down like this, we can put a line here. And then we can come down from that like this. And then we can be just above this roof line here. That will put like a window up there. And we can add a chimney. So we'll do our chimney over to one side of the house. So we'll come about here. We'll go straight up. I'm not going to go higher than the tip of the roof here. And I'll figure, let's do our chimney about this wide. Something like that. And then we'll extend these over just a little bit. And then come up. So I'm going to draw a smaller box over there. And then what we can do here is we can put the door in. So I'm going to come inside of these two edges of the stairs, and we're going to go straight up like this, and then we'll go straight up on the other side. Okay, now we'll do the top of our door somewhere around here. All right, don't go all the way up to your roof. I want to leave a little bit of a space up here. And then I'm going to have the windows be the same height as the door. So I'm just going to extend a line from both sides of our door. And I'm actually measuring about 2 centimeters for each of those windows so that they're going to be symmetrical. And then we'll come down. And now you can make, if you want to have long windows, you can make longer ones, shorter ones, whatever you feel like. And what I'll do here is I'll get a parallel line, and then I'm going to come across, and then roughly like that, and then that'll just help me kind of line these up and hit the other side of my windows. Again, this doesn't have to be 100% exact, but if it's close, it looks good. Okay, and then we'll have some window sills just below these. So we'll do these little extended shapes off of the bottom of the window. We'll do that for both sides. So I'm going to kind of freehand since they're small little tick marks there. Okay. Then the next step, I'm going to add a center line here for the window. So we have like these window panels inside of our window, and we'll do the same over here. So I'm going to find the center. I'm just going to do a small line through there, one through there, and then we'll find the center across horizontally like that, and one right there. And then for the door, we can add a couple panels, 2 panels inside of here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come find my center and just draw a really faint line like that, because I'm going to have the panels on either side of that center. And I'm going to have longer, actually, in order to figure out these panels, let's put a door handle in. So I'm going to put one on my right side here, like that. And then what that's going to help me to figure out now is right above that, I'm going to put a line in this direction, and I'm going to put a line below the handle like that. And now this will give me the panels, so I can kind of do this, and I'll do one, try to get about the same width like that. I'll do one on this side, and these are just going to be more like decorative recesses in the door. Something like that. And then down here, these panels won't go all the way down. They'll stop like that. You can go and kind of erase erase some of these lines. And we can finish off the top of these panels, just like that. All right, there we go. And then if you want to add some details to your chimney, you can go and do that. So I'll draw some horizontal lines for the bricks. I'm just going to do maybe a few, and these are all like equally spaced. And then this way here, up and down, we'll just do some like offset, staggered bricks like that. So you want to kind of alternate your lines just like that. And then if you want, you can add some bushes or trees or plants. I'm just going to do something really simple for this video. I'm just going to put like maybe a little bit of grass. But if you want, you can put in. And then I'll go and I'll erase this original. I'm going to go and ink this in and then color it in. So we'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so there's our house. We inked it in, and I'm now going to use some colors. I'm going to do kind of like a blue house and put some grass in there and follow along. So there you go. We just drew a house. Hopefully yours looks really awesome and cool, and you colored it in really nice. Any color you want. We just picked the regular blue and then did some like reflections in the windows, left it as a white door, and then add some green grass in the front. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below. That way you can follow us on other video tutorials that we have. And we will see you all next time. Bye-bye.